We leave you with video excerpts from Saturday's Forum on Jobs and Women's Identity, an event hosted by Rappler together with Pantene to close the celebration of March as Women's Month.
Women do more than hold up half the sky. We need to find common ground across age, class, and gender and push forward a better world.
It says 81% of women work in the travel or tourism industry.
Yeah. Usually, anong nakikita nyo dun sa requirement pag sa travel and tourism? Pleasing personality.
Dapat sa konkreto magbabago yung mga batas at polisiya sa politika para kilalanin yung partisipasyon natin bilang tao at mamamayan na babae.
If in case all women nag-strike sa isang araw, hindi naglaba, hindi nagluto, paano papasok ang mga kalalakihan sa trabaho?
The stereotypical lesbian, siguro maikli yung buhok, nakapantalo, nakapolo. But when they come for an appointment and they dress the way they're typically dressed, pagdating pa lang sa HR manager, it's either sasabihan na pasensya, hindi kami tumatanggap ng immoral. Kasi pag sinabi natin pleasing personality, at least in the mainstream world, no, your features are pleasing to the male gaze.
So trans women feel like, where are we in the society? Where are we in the workplace? And if we don't have work, how do we find the economic opportunity to survive?
So they're like, oh, you're blind. Oh, I'm sorry. We don't have like facilities for you. And really, we don't need special facilities naman. We can use the computer so we can work, send emails, and we can use the telephone or whatever. So,
sa lugar namin, sa Quezon City, merong anyo ng pagkakahon sa mga kababaihan na hindi namamalayan. Ito yung pagbibigay nila parati ng training, ng paggawa ng puto, paggawa ng kikiam, na hindi nila alam, tinatali ulit yung mga babae doon sa loob ng bahay.
Kasi bilang babae, kahit sa kapwa babae, ma-stigmatize kapag sinabi mo at dineclare mo sa mundo na, hey, okay lang ako, single, walang anak, okay lang, oh really, okay lang. Pipilitin pa talaga nila, but you have a chance.
That. And we therefore need women in leadership positions to say that it's okay. It's okay to say, I have to go home early because may recital yung anak ko. I have to go home early because yung anak ko 3 araw nang may lagnat. That is okay. In the home, tayong mga babae, we must ask ourselves, are we, and let me use the term breeding, okay? Are we breeding, are we raising gender-sensitive young boys?